Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 10 Alphabetic mask. These file in PSD and PNG. Here is print version, second is WAV version, third is PNG, and second is bonus file. Wow. So first I show you these are print. You print mean CMYK color, and here is WAV version in RGB. Here is PNG. You can add it your own choice. Here is bonus file. So first I show you this file. For example, I drag this file as on Photoshop, and you see here create layer area, and then select, press Ctrl backspace and apply gradient overlay. Okay, layer down, and you see here the design of this. You can change color. Wow. For example, I change gradients overlay. Wow. Okay. You can adjust one by one. These are RGB color. Here is 10 alphabet, and WAV version is in PSD. Here is print version. These are same files, so resolution is up here and down here for WAV. So I drag this file on Photoshop, and you see here in layer area 1 KLMNOPQRST. okay, so I extract this file. Sorry,